Hey guys, thanks for watching another video of mine. In this one I'm building a cabinet that's gonna add some nice style to my garage. If you're interested in the plans for this build, you can click on the link in the description below and go directly to the free downloads on my website. Well, let's get to building. So the first thing I did with this build was cut all my plywood into the individual pieces. I ended up cutting a radius into my toe kit, and it was just to do something a little bit different. You can easily just do a regular square like most cabinets, but if you're looking for something different, this was a good route. So I just started ending every night's session with doing some finishing work. That way I wouldn't have to mask things off later and I wouldn't have to wait during the day. It just seemed like a good idea to me. So I chose to do a solid maple top. Now this is plain sun versus, edge grain. That's totally fine, but it still somewhat matches my workbench. I'm just trying to get things a little bit more matching in the garage. Like hopefully this will end up matching my wall hanging tool cabinet. Just one of the easy ways to dowel straight into that perfect depth. I use a lot of pocket hole joinery in this build. Two things with that. One, it's a cabinet for my shop, it's not fine furniture, and two, you can't see any of it. This is exactly how you're supposed to use this plane, right? In this build I ended up using figure 8 fasteners because it's such a big top, it needs to be able to move freely, like a bird. Alright, so let's move on to the drawers. Again, this is not fine furniture, so no dovetails. What I ended up doing was just putting some glue along the bottom and then pin nailing it on, because the drawer slides that I picked are actually cover that whole bottom side and then it wraps under it, and that's where it's getting screwed. So there is screws reinforcing it. The bottom's not going to come off even the way I'm attaching it. So it just worked out. Just worked out nice and easy. On the doors, I just went really simple. It's just a groove on all four sides. My two rails have tenons that fill that groove. And I decided I would do the glass inset this way versus the little tabs on the back, because I just figured that looked nicer. And if it ever breaks, I'll just replace it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because that'd be pretty cool. And until next time.